Innovation is as old as human civilization itself and has been an integral component of our journey through time. Innovation is the art of using creative thinking to redefine boundaries and simplify lives. Today, the buzzword is disruptive innovation, which has radically altered processes, thoughts, and the way we look at business itself. As the legend Steve Jobs said, innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Yes Bank believes that there is a tremendous potential in the youth of this country to challenge status quo. The next big idea is perhaps waiting for a platform, and we are back with the Launchpad.
Transformation series brings together the world's finest minds to solve a real-life innovation challenge. It fosters creativity and urges students to visualize, strategize, and actualize.
I think it's a terrific platform. I mean, I don't think this existed when we were starting up, for example, and I think it's a terrific platform for people to learn from others' experiences, mistakes, successes. I think it's a great platform for young people who are looking to start up.
There is a bank branch for every 14,000 people, but does a bank branch have 14,000 customers? Typically no. So where are these customers?
How your acquisition strategy, marketing and other strategy that you have put out actually ties up with the kind of projections or numbers you're working on. Have you validated this number?
We were asking the question, can India become also a place to offshore innovation?
Most of the inventions that drove the Industrial Revolution did not come from large corporations. They came from small individuals.
We would like to see one day in newspaper that one of our ideas gets implemented by any bank. That would be really a proud moment for us.
We got a chance to meet young entrepreneurs, the most experienced people in the industry. It was quite interesting to know about them and the journey of their career. All the best and gear up for Transformation Series 4.2.
At Yes Bank, we have a lot of impetus on smartphones, mobility-led devices, coupled with robust analytics and a tight user experience.
Innovation is not just about doing different things. It's about also doing things differently. With the digital revolution, Indian banking is at the cusp of a paradigm shift. We are looking for innovation catalysts, people with out-of-the-box ideas, path-breaking solutions, and executable plans. If you're one of them, come join the Yes Bank Transformation Series.
Here is an opportunity where you can differentiate yourself from the rest. As you are aware, a business degree is not enough. It is how you innovate, it is how you execute and find solutions to real life issues. That's the test.
We are looking for the next disruptive innovation which will redefine banking. Register now to win exciting prizes worth 5 lakhs and see your ideas get implemented. Registrations begin from September 9th at www.transformationseries.in.